Hey guys! Hey y'all! Hey everybody! Alright, I'm back with another makeup tutorial today. Today's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to use my, what you call like a packer brush, and I'm going to try and do, again, an inverted, like, dark crease, lighter lid, and I'm going to flip it and do dark lid, lighter crease. So yeah, let me take out all my brushes. So, I think some questions I can ask y'all. Okay, oh, did you notice that I have a new light, and it helps me do my makeup better? And where's my mirror? I have a mirror today, and it's my grandma's mirror. I don't really like zebra prints, but that's okay. Is that thunder? Maybe. Okay, so let me back up some. Okay, I have all of my brushes out. Oh, I got these new shadows from Sally's today. Where's my other one? It's Phil. Where is he at? Crap. Hold on, let me take out all my extra stuff. Is this it? Here we go. I've got a gold and a silver. So we're going to use those later. I'm trying to figure out what I should do. Oh, by the way, I attempted to dye my hair a lighter color, like do an ombre effect. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's darker at the top and a little bit lighter. But I was trying to do it like a strawberry blonde ombre from like the dark to the strawberry blonde. But didn't work out. That's okay. I'll try again next week. If y'all have any suggestions on what I should do with my hair, please comment down below. Okay, so we need to do our foundation, which I am going to do right now off camera. Alright, I'm back, and it's time for the eyes. Okay, I don't know what look I want to do. Okay. Let's do from the B35D palette. I have everything spread out on my floor. Oh, by the way, if y'all want to see my baby dress, I'll put a picture in. Well, I don't really have a picture, so I can't put one in. But when I was like 1 or 2, there was a picture of me in a red and green stripe, not stripe, but it had like candy canes all over it, and it was so cute, and I was so cute, and that dress is right behind me, right up there. Look. See? Okay. So anyways, let's move on to the video. Let's do a purple eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going to take this purple right here. So I'm going to pack that on with my mirror. But I always forget I didn't use the mirror. Blending brush right here, and I'm going to blend this into the crease and a little bit higher. Okay, let me zoom in some. Alright, can you see I have the purple on right here, and I'm going to do a little bit darker purple. No, we're changing the look. We're going to do a dark purple in the crease. I know y'all are disappointed in me, but I have to do it. It just looks better. Okay? Okay. Okay. So, we're going to take that same purple and put it in the crease. Now we're going to do, let's do a blue on the inner corners. So I'm going to take, why is this all the way over here? Okay, so I'm going to take this packing brush again, and I'm going to dip it into, oh, let me show you which blue. We're going to do this blue right here. See that? See, it's blue and purple and light purple. Okay, so now we're going to get that off the brush, and then we're going to take the detailer brush right here, and we're going to take that same blue and put it underneath the eye. Take this silver and put it on the lid. Okay, so I'm going to put this on the slide. Take that and move it in. Okay. You see that? Okay, now we're going to, I think we're done with the eyes. Now we're going to put on mascara. If I can find our mascara. Here it is. And we're going to put mascara, we're going to put mascara on, and then blush and highlighter and lipstick. Now I need to do blush and highlighter and lipstick. And my eye keeps watering. Okay, let's do blush and highlighter first. Okay, here's the highlighter. Where's the brush? I mean the blush. Okay, I'm going to use my Avon blush today and my, Master Chrome that I always use. Okay, so for blush, let's get this out. Use this brush. It's not labeled brush. And we're going to, I don't know what my grandfather's doing. Do y'all hear that whirring noise? He's doing something with the drill. I don't know. Okay, blush. Okay, now we're going to close that up and do highlighter. Okay. Alright, can y'all see my highlighter? Ooh, I got this red today. It was $1. So it's probably not going to be of great quality. But look how pretty it is. Beautiful. Just like me. I'm just kidding. Okay, so it's more of a pink than a red. Like it looks red in the tube, see? And then you put it on and it's pink. So it's kind of a letdown. But, I mean, altogether, I think my makeup looks pretty good today. So, okay guys, I will see y'all next time. And remember to subscribe to my channel, ring that notification bell, like and comment down below if you love my video, and share it with all of your friends. Alright guys, see ya!